Hello friends, welcome to Nifty Intraday levels. Uh, we'll talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for Thursday 1st October and as per the technical analysis targets for Monday 5th October 2020. So before proceeding further, I would like to just make a disclaimer. This video is only for educational and learning purpose. This is based on technical analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. The levels mentioned in this video are all spot levels. Consult your financial advisor before taking any real position in the market. Please find direct access for Nifty Intraday levels channel here. So now we'll talk about Nifty analysis for 1st October 2020. So if you see that it opened around 11,364.45. It made high of 11,428.6, low of 11,347.05, and it closed a bit higher at 11,416.95. So if you see the range, it near about 80 points was the kind of range for the day. So if we compare with kind of the Wednesday's trading, that is 30th September, it opened almost 117 points up and closed almost 170 points up. So we were not expecting that much kind of opening as per according to our technical analysis. But yes, definitely there was a kind of good up move in kind of US markets, and based on that the kind of our Nifty opened a bit higher, almost above 117 points. So that was a good trading day, I can say, but it was a kind of range bound. So within kind of 80 points it traded only. So if I see the technical indicators, that RSI CCI is at neutral at this moment, MACD is negative, ADX is positive. Now if you see that support lies below at 11,239, 11,317, 11,373. Upside resistance is now near about 11,526. So immediate somewhere 11,438 or 39, that immediate resistance is there upside, but I feel that would get breached tomorrow. That is on the kind of 5th October. But still I see that 11,526 can be a resistance, immediate resistance, and then 11,617, 11,686. From SMA and EMA perspective, actually immediate support below at 11,314, but upside resistance at this moment I'm thinking that 11,617 should act as a kind of immediate resistance for now. But definitely if it tries to breach that 11,617, then definitely it may try to go up, but due to the kind of this deliberation bearish and register bearish emerging pattern on kind of monthly chart, it has a kind of medium reliability, but it generates on monthly chart. So I'm a bit um, not sure about upside resistance at this moment, because thing is that I don't find it should cross kind of 11,526 or 11,617 maybe in couple of days. But yes, so that's what, if it cross 11,526, then I don't have any kind of immediate resistance for the coming week. So it would go in kind of uncharted territory. So I think definitely by looking at this emerging candlestick patterns, I'm a bit doubtful that it should go beyond kind of 11,600 in coming couple of days. So if we see that kind of 8th October, that is coming Thursday, the expiry, we see kind of called change in open interest and put change in open interest. If you see that at below levels, put writing was observed, so most of the market participants are expecting that it should not go below 11,300 or 400 in coming days. And if you see, call writing was seen actually from 11,400 onwards till 12,100. So it's a kind of change in open interest was quite interesting for 8th October expiry. Now we'll talk about kind of net open interest in call and put. So if you see that highest put open interest is lying at 11,200 and highest open interest in call is there at 11,500. So immediate resistance, this talks about at 11,500, but definitely if it cross 11,500, then definitely it may try to look for 11,700 level. Immediate resistance is there at 11,600 as well. But yes, for Monday's trading, I'm expecting that this should trade between kind of 11,300, 350 somewhere to kind of 11,515 or 517. Not 517, 530 I can say. Yes, in this range actually it should trade. This would be kind of expected range for the Monday's trading. So we'll see actually according to the technical analysis what level comes out. So according to the kind of technical analysis, so Monday's range comes out to be 11,382 to 11,487, because if you see that on 1st October it was a kind of a range bound session. Yes, it opened a kind of 116 points up, but still actually it was a kind of just 80 points range was traded from high to low. So I'm expecting that it's kind of with this emerging patterns of on monthly chart. So it shows that yes, definitely if it opens bit lower, then definitely it would be a kind of reversal. But still actually that candlestick pattern was having kind of medium reliability. So at this moment I am expecting that 11,382 to 11,487 should be the kind of trading range for Monday. So my indicators or buy signals get generated when Nifty trades above 11,449 for first target of 11,475, second target 11,502, then third target 529, fourth target 556, fifth target 583. And if it does not sustain about these levels actually and it try to breach 11,422 at downside, then definitely I would look for 11,395, 11,368, 342, 315 to 89 levels. Now we'll talk about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you see, this opened at 21,685 and closed at 22,246. So it made high of 22,293 and a low was 21,664. But if you see that Bank Nifty opened to 33 points up compared to kind of 30th September and closed almost 800 points up during expiry day. So that was a kind of not expected at all, but yes, it's a market, so anything can happen. So we should try to trade according to our ranges, and if we don't get the ranges, we should be actually avoiding trading in the market. But yes, it was a Thursday expiry day, so definitely if whoever has a kind of buy positions, they would have earned a lot actually in the market. Okay, now if you want to see retracement perspective and the kind of earlier high low, from that perspective actually if I talk, the support lies at 21,784 and 22,078 at lower side. Upside resistance looks at kind of 22,674 for immediate thing, 22,897 and 23,080 would be a kind of resistance at higher levels from Fibonacci retrospective perspective. Then if I talk about SMA and EMA, support lies at below level 21,186, 21,373. But upside resistance, no, I guess this was the wrong values here. I haven't updated this, sorry for that. But yes, I'm thinking that 22,674 would be a kind of immediate resistance, and upside should be kind of treated as immediate resistance at this moment. But as definitely if it cross about kind of this 22,700, then I see actually 22,900 would be a kind of major hurdle at this moment for Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So please ignore this SMA and EMA line actually, because I guess I forgot to update that. So ADX, RSI, CCI are at neutral level at this moment, and MACD shows a kind of negativeness. So candlestick pattern, Doji Star was a kind of on monthly chart that got closed actually, and no actually emerging pattern on candlesticks. So it's a bit difficult to state anything on their front, because thing is that almost Bank Nifty closed almost 800 points up on Thursday's session. So now we'll see actually change in open interest for call and put. So in that case, if you see that call unwinding was seen till 22,000 levels actually, and put writing was also seen till 22,000. And at upside actually, if you see that call writing was seen from 22,200 till kind of 22,900, and majorly at 22,600 levels. So that was a change in open interest. Now if we see that open interest, net open interest in call and put, so at below level 21,500 has a major open interest input, and then subsequently at 20,000 it's the second highest open interest input. But at upside, if you see that 22,500 has the highest open interest, and second highest open interest is lying at 20,600. So definitely 22,500 would act as a kind of immediate resistance at upside. But yes, I'm a bit skeptical on that, because if you see that put levels, put actually writing was seen at this level, so I may suspect that it may go bit above 20,600 or 20,700. So we'll according to technical analysis for Monday 5th October, what levels come out, we'll see 21,955 to 22,738. So it's a kind of long range it came out, because near about on 1st October it shown kind of a large range for Bank Nifty. So if you see that about 22,315 my buy signal get generated, and so about 20,388, 425, 462, 500 and 567 would be the my kind of target levels. And if it trades below 22,315, then definitely for me actually sell signals get generated, and it would give me a kind of 22,275 as a first target, second target 238, then 200, 163 and 126. Hope guys you like the contents. Thank you for watching my video. Happy trading.